night panel. Pretty cool. That's all you see. But once you get up to a certain speed, the rest of the night panel illuminates. That's pretty wild. Around town, it only illuminates up to 90 miles per hour. So, I press the night panel button and everything comes to life. Pretty cool stuff, man. There it is, night panel. Press that, everything goes dim. Now that's pretty cool. I like that.
You are going the wrong way down the street.
Don't tell me that. Damn. Did you hear my nav tell me I'm going the wrong way down the street? I'm getting on the interstate, bitch. Don't scare me like that.